In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook working offline. If Outlook says working offline and your emails aren't sending or receiving, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix. I'll walk you through what to click, what to look for, and a few simple checks to get you reconnected. First, open the Outlook application on your computer. As it loads, glance down at the bottom of the window. The status bar is your guide here. If it says working offline, Outlook is intentionally disconnected and won't send or fetch messages until you switch it back. Next, go to the Send Receive tab on the ribbon along the top of Outlook. This tab includes the tools that control how Outlook connects and synchronizes. In the middle of this ribbon, you'll see a button labeled Work Offline. When Outlook is offline, this button is typically highlighted or looks pressed in. Click it once to disable offline mode. You're simply toggling a switch, no settings are being changed permanently, and you can always toggle it again if needed. After you click, check the status bar at the bottom again. It should change from working offline to connected. You might see connected to Microsoft Exchange, connected to server, or similar wording depending on your account type. Give it a few moments to synchronize. If you had messages stuck in your outbox, they should begin sending and new mail should start arriving. If the status doesn't change, click the Work Offline button one more time to confirm it's not still enabled. If Outlook still won't connect, make sure your internet connection is active. Verify that Wi-Fi is turned on and you're connected to a network or that your Ethernet cable is firmly plugged in. Quickly test by opening a web page in your browser. If the page loads, your connection is working. If not, reconnect to your network or switch to another one and try Outlook again. Now, close and reopen Outlook. Fully quit the app, wait a few seconds, and then start it again. This refresh clears temporary connection hiccups and helps Outlook establish a clean session with your mail server. Finally, check for Office updates. Updates often include reliability fixes for connection and synchronization. In Outlook, go to File, then Office Account, select Update Options, and choose Update Now. Let the update complete, restart Outlook if prompted, and confirm the status shows connected. That's it. By toggling Work Offline off, confirming your internet connection, restarting Outlook, and applying updates, you should be back online and syncing normally. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Outlook connected again.